Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up some packages. One's from California, one's from Georgia, one's from North Carolina. And I'll be also opening up a box that I've just bought a knife from Deep South Cutlery. It's an ESEE, and I can't wait to share that with y'all. But also in the video, guys, I know last week or a week before I said I'll be doing a review on a flashlight. I'll be giving one away. Well, they told me that it's already been sold out, but I didn't get it until the release of it. And but they said there's no need to do a review on it. So I have one, and I'm going to be giving this one away. It's a G5 Woburn. It's 400 lumens, but it's a great little flashlight. It actually fits in a Zippo nylon pouch, and I'll be sharing that with you before the end of the video. I don't have it out here right now. But it's a great little light. Y'all comment down below, and I'll pick a random comment this coming week, and I'll get it shipped out. So, great little light, and you'll enjoy it. I'll show you what it looks like before we end the video here today. But it's a great little light. It really is. But anyway, guys, let's get over there and get into the packages. And let me show you my ESEE knife from Deep South Cutlery. They do have the ESEEs now. I think I started Mr. Seth on a rabbit hole because I was trading them that izula-ii for the Buck 112 Pro that I got. Don't have it out here with me right now. It's in there right by my seat on my table where I sit in the living room. But they sell ESEEs now. So I bought one from them, a little bit smaller than the izula-ii. Can't wait to share that. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package comes all the way to us from Mr. Barker from Gibsonville, North Carolina. I've already opened it up. It's actually a parts knife, but here it is right here. I'm needing that shield right there for this knife right there. So, Mr. Barker, buddy, thank you so much for this parts knife. I'll be taking it apart and getting that shield off of there and putting it over here. I'll be cleaning this knife up this coming week. But you see that right there, it just needs to be glued. But this is gonna be a good looking knife. And you see the spring is coming out right here. So it might have some snap. Let's see if we can get it to snap real quick. I bought this knife down at the pawn shop in Albany, Georgia. Mr. Bill works. It's a Star Broker's Pawn, I think it is. It ain't wanting to snap. Just might need to be worked. Nope. That one does. Let's put some oil down in here. Oh, there we go. Just wanting to. I think it needs to be worked a little bit, but this is one of the knives I'm gonna be putting up, I'll clean it up this week and repairing. It's gonna be a great knife. But Mr. Barker, buddy, thank you so much for this part knife, man. Appreciate you. Mr. Drew Barker sent that parts knife all the way from Gibsonville, North Carolina. 473 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Drew, buddy, thank you so much for the parts knife. Appreciate the support of the channel. Tell your dad I said hello. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from Escondido, California, from L. Durbin. Dear Kevin, a.k.a. the Knife Doctor, I am Linda from California. This is my third package. Last time I made you and Glenn the lanyards with the wooden beads. I love the video you made with Glenn when you gave him his lanyards, and I was so delighted to see two of them in a display case in the famous museum. I am grateful I carved these two pieces for you. I hope you like them. Love your videos and your circle of friends and family. You are truly blessed. Linda, Escondido, California. Miss Linda, thank you so much. This is the first one. She says open first. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is, oh, That is so cool. So cool of you. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I had it upside down. It kind of looked like a face there. But look at that. That is such detailed work. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Let's look at this one first before we open that one. Miss Linda, you do some great work. Look at here. United States Marine Corps, Semper Fidelis, Operation Iraqi Freedom. Well, I appreciate that so much. I love that. Love that right there. That is beautiful to me. Hoorah. Appreciate all the veterans that participated in Operation Iraqi Freedom. I truly do. Thank you so much for this, Miss Linda. Appreciate it. Now, here, let's see this one. Wow. Check that out. That looks like Sasquatch, don't it? I think it is Sasquatch. That's beautiful. I love that. The detailed work on that is amazing. Miss Linda, thank you so much for these. I love it. I really do. Love them. Love the coin too. Thank you so much from Miss Linda all the way from Escondido, California. Thank you. Miss Linda sent those carvings and that coin all the way from Escondido, California. 2,288 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Miss Linda, thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. Thank you so much for the carving figures and that coin. Appreciate you, ma'am. God bless you. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from Casey Cathan from Tallapoosa, Georgia. Dear Knife Doctor, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt appreciation for your incredible videos. Your content has truly inspired me to attempt my own knife repairs, and I have found great joy in the process. Your instructional videos are not only informative, but also engaging, and I particularly enjoy the tailgate sessions with Wade and your friends. They had a wonderful personal touch to your channel. Your videos, along with a close friend of mine starting up his own YouTube channel, Blade Bloodhound, I have to check him out, have reignited my love for knife collecting. Additionally, I want to extend my deepest gratitude for your military service to our great country. Your dedication and sacrifice are truly commendable, and I am grateful for all that you have done. Well, thank you so much for that, Mr. Casey. As a token of my appreciation, I have enclosed a small gift that I thought you would appreciate. It includes a letter opener in the form of a K-bar fixed blade replica. I hope you find it useful and enjoyable. Thank you once again for all your hard work and for your sharing your knowledge and passion with us. Keep up the great work and God bless. Sincerely, Casey Cathan. Cathan Cutlery, Tallapoosa, Georgia. Well, thank you so much, Miss Casey. Thank you. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Wow. Look at that, y'all. USMC. I've never seen anything like this, Mr. Casey. I appreciate this so much. This will be going up on my desk. I love it, man. Hoorah. I didn't even know they made a letter opener like this. So cool. Mr. Casey, thank you so much again for this. I appreciate it. Again, it will be going up on my desk. I'll find a place for it. Hoorah. Mr. Casey sent that K-bar letter opener all the way from Tallapoosa, Georgia. Right there, 116 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Casey, buddy, thank you so much for that letter opener. I love it, man. I love that USMC on there. Thank you so much again. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, now we're going to get to look at my new ESEE. Okay, guys, here it is right here. It is called a Kandura. The Kandura. C-A-N-D-I-R-U. But guys, if you've never owned one of these or an ESEE knife, I mean, they're just great knives. I have an ESEE 5 that is absolutely a beast. But this little thing here is going to be going in my pocket. I'm in the search of a fixed blade EDC. And I really like the way this feels. They showed it to me on a, they FaceTimed me because they got it in some knives, and they showed me this thing here. I said, man, I got to have one of those. And they sent me an invoice, and I paid it. But I think they're like 89 bucks. It was 90 something bucks with shipping and everything. So it's a great knife. Y'all check them out. Deep South, they have an auction every Thursday night on Facebook. They sell a bunch of great knives. Great folks too. But this is it right here, guys. A Kandura. And it's got canvas micarta, 1095 carbon steel. Just a great little knife. And it comes with this thing right here. It's got paracord. It's got a ferro rod too. See there? And a paracord. Yeah, I think that's a key ring. All kinds of stuff. This right here, you can actually put it on your belt. See there? But I'm gonna find me one for a side draw. That's gonna be a perfect little side draw. I love this thing. You see this here, I go right there. You'll be able to put it on your belt then. I put this on there and carry it on my belt. Today, I'm gonna order a little thing that buttons up around that way you can use as a side draw. All right, put that on your belt. I really like this thing. Very, very cool. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I'm going to share something else with you real quick. Mr. Philip Reynolds from Warner Robins, Georgia, sent me a link the other day to Shepherd Hills Cutlery. He said there's a sheath on there that you might be interested in. And I looked at it, and yes, I was so interested in it, I ordered me one. There it is right there. It's got the Marine Corps Eagle Globe and Anchor on there. It's a case sheath. It looks a whole lot better than that thing right there. I just cannot believe they got Jobs case on the sheath. I like that up there, but they need to do away with that right there. I just don't like that. Don't like it at all. They need to come back with a basket weave sheath. But I love that. This is for a trapper size knife. As you can see, I have the little side draw on for my trapper here, and it fits in there really good. See it right there? But you can pick these up at Shepherd Hills Cutlery. And I also found, guys, I don't know if they're still there, but you also pick these up for $6 a piece. I bought the wolf and I bought the pheasant. The pheasant I'll be giving away in a video coming soon. I've got the bear coming. Got the bear on the way. I can't wait to get it and to share who sent it. But that is the wolf right there. And I've got room up here around my eagle. I'm at the eagle, wolf, and bear, and probably a few more. But couldn't believe these were $6 a piece. I paid on a Whatnot show the other day. I paid like $22 a piece for them. So they're going pretty high on some in other places. But Shepherd Hills Cutlery was selling for $6 a piece the other day. But anyway, Mr. Phillip, thank you so much for sharing this. I appreciate it. Appreciate our friendship too, buddy. And we need to get together too, buddy. And I'll come up to Warner Robins and we can eat sometime. It'll be fun. Well, guys, also I said that I'll be sharing with you the Woburn G5 flashlight. It will fit in a nylon Zippo sheath. And there it is right there. It won't fit in the leather sheath, but it will fit in the nylon Zippo sheath, and I love it. Well, there it is right there, guys. This head will rotate, and you just simply mash that on. And then there's a dial right here. Let's see, turn that off. There's a dial here that you can turn it up or down. See, do that right there, and you can turn it down. You can turn it up. It goes up to 400 lumens, but it also comes in a, there's different modes on here. I haven't figured them all out, but you double click this and it blinks different colors, and this flashlight will do a bunch of stuff. But anyway, this is how you charge it too. You slide that up, and there's that USB-C. Is it USB 3C? I think it is. But anyway, it's the USB-C. There it is right there. And it comes with its own cord. But this is it right here, guys. Y'all comment below. I'll be giving one away. But I like this thing. And it's got a pocket clip too. So here, you can put it on right there inside your pocket if you want to. And you can rotate it over there. Be out of the way. This is the Woobin G5. Great little flashlight. And again, it will fit in a Zippo nylon sheath. Very, very cool. All you gotta do is comment down below, guys. I'll be picking a random comment next week sometime, and we'll be picking a winner. Brand spanking new. Hoorah. Well, guys, I also want to thank Miss Linda from Escondido, California. I want to thank Casey from Tallapoosa, Georgia. I want to thank Mr. Drew Barker from Gibsonville, North Carolina. Thank all y'all for sending those gifts in. Appreciate the parts knife, Mr. Drew and Miss Linda. Thank you so much for those carvings and that coin. And Casey, thank you so much for that K-bar letter opener. It's very cool. Never seen one. Well, guys, I also want to thank Mr. Seth for Deep South Cutlery for showing me this knife the other day. Absolutely awesome knife. There it is right there. Canvas micarta handles, 1095 steel. You got jimping on the back, and it's razor sharp. But this is an ESEE Kandura. Ain't it cool? Cute little thing. Fits in your hand real good. Real good. Hoorah. I'll be wearing it for a little while. So guys, I think that's it. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I want to say God bless y'all, each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.